Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and thought, I wish my lipstick would just stay perfect all day? We've all been there, right? You leave the house with that perfect pout, but by lunchtime, your lip color is fading, feathering, or just gone. Frustrating, isn't it? But what if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll know 7 lipstick hacks that will solve these common issues and take your lip game to the next level? So stick around. You don't want to miss this. Number 7, exfoliate your lips. Let's start with something that might seem basic, but is absolutely essential. Exfoliating your lips. Now picture this. You're getting ready for a night out. You've picked out your favorite lipstick. As you apply it, you notice it's clinging to dry patches and looking, well, less than flawless. The truth is, no matter how luxurious your lipstick is, it won't look its best if your lips aren't prepped properly. Dry, flaky lips are a lipstick lover's nightmare. That's where exfoliating comes in. By gently buffing away dead skin cells, you're creating a smooth, even surface that allows your lipstick to glide on effortlessly and stay put longer. One of my go-to exfoliators is the Sugar and Butter Lip Exfoliator. It's a game changer. Seriously. Just a quick scrub and your lips are smooth, supple, and ready to show off that gorgeous lip color. And here's a little insider tip. Make exfoliating a regular part of your routine, especially during those colder months when lips are prone to dryness. Trust me, your lipstick will thank you. Number 6, use the magic eraser. We've all had those moments trying to apply lipstick in a rush, and suddenly there's a stray mark where it shouldn't be. Cue the panic, right? But here's a secret that's going to make those little slip-ups a thing of the past. A concealer. After applying your lipstick, take a tiny amount of concealer on a brush and lightly dab it around your lip line. It's like magic. Those stray marks disappear and your lip line looks sharper and more defined without the need for any harsh wiping. It's a hack that not only fixes mistakes, but also keeps your lipstick looking polished and professional. Plus, it gives you that extra bit of confidence knowing that even if you make a mistake, you can fix it in a flash. Number 5, lock your lip look all day. Ever noticed how your lipstick looks flawless when you first apply it, but by the end of the day, it's barely there? One of the biggest challenges with lipstick is getting it to stay put. But what if I told you there's a way to lock in your lip color so it lasts all day? Here's the trick. After applying your lipstick, gently blot your lips with a tissue. This helps remove any excess product, which can cause your lipstick to slip and slide throughout the day. But we're not stopping there. Take a clean tissue, separate it into 2 layers, and place one thin layer over your lips. Now lightly dust translucent powder over the tissue. This step might seem a bit extra, but it's worth it. The powder absorbs any remaining oils, helping the lipstick to adhere better and stay in place. Finally, apply another layer of lipstick, and boom, you've just locked in your lip color for the day. And here's the best part. This hack doesn't just keep your lipstick in place, it also helps maintain the intensity of the color, so you're not left with that faded, half-gone look. Number 4, the fuller lip illusion. So, if you're really looking to enhance your pout without the need for injections, here's a simple but effective hack. Opt for lighter shades like nudes or pale pinks. Lighter colors naturally make your lips appear fuller and more voluminous. It's an optical illusion, but it works like a charm. And here's a pro tip. After applying your lipstick, dab a tiny bit of highlighter or a lighter shade of lipstick in the center of your lips. This creates a subtle gradient effect that adds dimension, making your lips look fuller. It's a quick, easy way to enhance your natural lips without much effort, just a little color magic. Number 3, know your nude shades. Speaking of nudes, finding the perfect nude lipstick can be a bit of a challenge, but once you do, it's like discovering a beauty holy grail. Here's a hack that will help you find your perfect nude every time. Choose a shade that's just a touch darker than your natural lip color. For fair skin, go for a nude with a hint of pink. If you have medium skin, opt for a nude with orange undertones. And for those with darker skin tones, chocolate browns or rosy browns with a bit of a shimmer are your best bet. And if your lips tend to have a lot of redness, choose a nude with caramel undertones to neutralize the color and give you that perfect nude lip. This hack is all about enhancing your natural beauty while giving you that polished, put-together look that nude lips are famous for. Number 2, the ombre effect. Let's face it, we all want lips that look naturally fuller, just like Kylie Jenner's. In that case, the ombre effect is your go-to trick. Here's how you do it. Start by applying a base shade of lipstick across your entire lips. Then take a lighter shade from the same color family and apply it right in the center of your lips. This creates a subtle gradient that not only adds depth, but also makes your lips look irresistibly plump. The key to nailing this look is precision. Use a lip brush to apply the lighter shade, ensuring that the transition between the two colors is smooth. If done right, you'll achieve that perfect ombre effect that keeps your lips looking full and fabulous all day long. And let's be real, ombre lips never go out of style. Whether you're headed to a casual brunch or a night out, this trend is a timeless way to add a touch of glam to your look. Plus, this hack also helps your lipstick last longer, and when topped with powder, prevents it from transferring as easily. Win-win! Number 1, the broken lipstick fix. Now, imagine this. You've nailed every lipstick hack we've shared, but your favorite lipstick breaks right when you need it most. Panic mode, right? Yes, it does feel like the end of the world, but don't toss it just yet. There's a simple hack that can save your beloved lipstick. First, grab a lighter and gently heat the broken end of the lipstick until it becomes slightly melted. Then press the broken piece back into the base and hold it for a few seconds to let it set. Pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to let it fully harden, and boom, your lipstick is as good as new. This hack not only saves you from having to throw away a perfectly good lipstick, but it also keeps your favorite shade in your rotation a little longer. And there you have it, 7 lipstick hacks that every girl should know, from creating the perfect canvas with exfoliation to fixing a broken lipstick. These tips are going to take your lip game to the next level. But wait, don't stop here. If you're looking for more beauty hacks, check out our video on how to look 20 years younger using cornstarch. It's packed with DIY tips that will leave your skin glowing and youthful. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.